Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you join me here today on one of Leamington's most prestigious roads, Beauchamp Avenue, where we have this absolutely stunning townhouse. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in a beautiful south-facing rear garden of this amazing townhouse. It really is so quiet, but you're very close to town. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.